Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Network Salesforce Developer Tutorial. Topic what we are going to cover in this session, that is Visualforce Field Dependency. Visualforce Field Dependency allows the creation of dependent pick lists where the options available in the pick list depend on the value selected in the another pick list. This behavior is similar to the standard field dependency functionality but implemented within a Visualforce page. Let's see an example. Suppose we have two fields on an object, that is city and places. So city is one pick list value and places is another pick list value. We want the option in the places pick list to depend on the selected value in the city pick list. So until we are not selecting the city, the places value is not coming up. So whenever we are selecting the city, respective places should be displayed for that particular city. So to do the practical, just log into our Salesforce account. To create the Visualforce page and Apex class, we need to click on Setup, Developer Console, right click, open link in new tab. So click on File, New, Apex class. So here we are creating the Apex class by the name Visualforce Field Dependency. Click OK. So in this Apex class Visualforce Field Dependency, we are creating a map, city map. It is holding the string and list of string. Here we are using set and get. Then we are creating cities of list of select option, then places, list of select option, then city selected is of string type, and here we are calling the constructor. We have created a map with city name as key and list of places as values. So city map equals to new map string list of string. Create a list of Delhi places. So here we are creating the places for Delhi city. So D places represent Delhi places equals to new list of string. Lakshmi Nagar is one value, Mayur Vihar is another one, and Botanical Garden is another one. If we need some more values, we can go ahead like this only. Create list of Gurugram places. So again G places represent Gurugram places. Here we are taking in the curly braces values DLF, Cyber City. If more, we can put the comma, and in single quotes we are going to provide next values. Create a list of Mumbai places. So M places represents Mumbai places, and here the values we are taking Bandra and Juhu. Put the city name along with corresponding places as values. So citymap.put for Delhi places Delhi, Gurugram places Gurugram, Mumbai places Mumbai. Create none option and add them to cities and places options. So this line is doing like, if we are selecting none values, then it is not going to display any cities or places value. So for that, select option, new select option, none value we are providing, cities select option, places select option, and in that we are adding this n values, none and none for cities and places. Get all the keys from the map using key set. So by the key set we are getting all the values of city like Delhi, Gurugram and Mumbai. So this key set method is holding these three values. Take one by one city names from the set and create new options. So for string s keys, this select option op equals to new select option as we are providing, and in cities dot add option this. Public void get data method. Whenever get data is invoked, remove all the options from the places. So places we are clearing. Select option n, we are again providing none values for the places. If city selected is not equals to none, then fetch corresponding places. If city selected is not equals to none, means some value is there, fetch the corresponding places based on city name selected. So first it is going to find out which city name is selected. Then for that city name it is going to display the respected places value. So my places equals to city map dot get city selected, and for string s my places select option op equals to new select option as we are providing here places dot add op. So again we need to create the Visualforce page. File, new, Visualforce page. Again we are going to create the Visualforce page by the name Visualforce Field Dependency. Click OK. So in this Visualforce page we are calling the Visualforce Field Dependency, this class what we had written over here, and for this we are using controller. Then under the apex form, apex page block title we are providing field dependency, apex page block section column 1, then apex page block section item. Here in this section item we are going with cities. So output label value equals to cities, select list size equals to 1 and value city selected, style class equals to box, this is for only styling, apex select options value equals to cities, here cities are getting selected, action support event on change, action equals get data method here calling, and re-render 1, this one value we are passing here id. So it is displaying the respected value with this. So select list is closing and again page block section item is getting closed. So next opening the page block section item for places, output label value equals to places, select list size equals to 1 because we need to select only one value for one city, id 1, style class box for styling only, select options value equals to places. So a respected places is coming over here, select list is getting closed, page block section item is closed and page block section is closed respectively, page block and apex form and apex page. Save this Visualforce page and click on preview button. So we are able to see that title is coming as it is field dependency we had provided over there, and here cities and places. So in the cities we are able to see Delhi, Gurugram and Mumbai, and in the places there is none value is coming because if city we are not selecting, then under places we are not able to see any values. Until we are not selecting the city, it is not giving the value. So on behalf of city, it is going to display the places. So if we are going with Delhi, then respected Delhi, all the values are coming over here. So Lakshmi Nagar is one value, Mayur Vihar, Botanical Garden, these are the places for Delhi. And again we are not able to see the Gurugram places and Mumbai places. If we are selecting Gurugram, then now we are not able to see Delhi places and Mumbai places. So again, if I am going with Mumbai, then respected Mumbai places is coming over here, Bandra and Juhu. Like this, we are creating our own field dependency by Apex class and Visualforce pages. So in the projects, some of the situations are coming that we need to create with Apex class and Visualforce pages. Thank you.